Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be taking a look at subtraction with borrowing. And before we start doing that, we're going to take a look back at some of the other strategies that we had for regrouping when we were doing our addition. When we were doing our addition, okay, and we have our two numbers to add together. We had 10, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27. And let's say we're adding 10, 20, 30, 32, 34, 36. As always, we started with our ones. 7 and 6 was 13. And when we had 13, we knew that we had too many. We couldn't put 13 down here like this. So we knew that 13 contained a group of 10. So we took those 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we traded them for a group of 10. And we put it over on the tens side, because our 10 ones is exactly the same as a group of 10. And this left us with 3 ones, and we have our group of 10 over here, which gave us a group of 10 and 2 and 3. And added up, that gave us 6 tens, for a total of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. Yes. So we know that when we have numbers, they can be represented by tens and ones. For example, our 47 can be represented by 4 tens and 7 ones. Great. 4 tens and 7 ones. If I wanted to, though, I could take this group of 10 and I could trade it for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if I put the 10 ones over here, ten, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 42, 44, 46, 47. I still have 47 blocks. I don't have the same number of tens and ones, though. I have, instead, 3 tens and 17 ones. But I still have 47. So I can change the number of tens and ones. I still have the same value of blocks. Now we're going to take a little look at some subtraction questions. We spent a lot of time on addition. Whoops. We spent a lot of time on addition, and now we're going to work on our subtraction of it. I have 10, 20, 30, 32, 34, 36 blocks. And I want to take away 12 blocks. Just like with my addition, I start with my ones. 6 take away 2. Can I do 6 take away 2? Sure I can. I can take away 2 of these. And for my 10s, 3 take away 1. Can I take away 1 of these? Sure I can. Okay, great. 6 take away 2 gives me 4, and 3 take away 1 gives me 2. I should have 24 blocks left. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Worked out perfectly. Great. 58. Let's say they're cookies. 58 cookies. And I want to give 35 of them to everyone in my class. I'm going to bring 35 into the class. I will give them away. Well, we start with the ones. 8 take away 5. Can I take away 5? 2, 4, 5. Sure, I can take away 5. And that gives me 3 ones left. Now I go over to my 10s. 5 10s take away 3 10s. Can I take away 3 10s? Sure I can. And I have 2 of them left. So if I have 58 take away 35, I have 23 left. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Perfect. Now, let's take a look at a different question. I have 53 cookies. There are 25 people in my class, and I want to make sure everyone gets 1 cookie. So I will be giving out 1 cookie per person. I'll be sharing out 25 cookies. Great. Let's get started with our ones. 3 take away 5. Can I take away 5? Let me think. 1, 2, 3. I don't have enough to take away 5. Maybe I don't have enough cookies to share with my friends after all. But wait a minute. I've got 53 cookies. There's only 25 people in the class. Sure, I have lots of cookies to share with my friends. So the problem is not that I don't have enough cookies. But I can't get past my very first part of the question. 3 take away 5. What am I going to do to try to make this question work? Well, just start over here. I want to take away 25. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Well, I'm still stuck. I don't seem to be able to do the 25. Let's put them back and try again. I need more ones over here. I don't have enough. Just as when we had too many ones here, we gathered them up and moved them over, well, we can just as easily do the reverse. We can borrow from the 10s, we can turn them into 1s, and they can help us out. So this is a group of 10, so I need 10 1s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Great. Now, how many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. How many tens do I have? I don't have 5 anymore. I have 4 tens. Just 4 of them. For my ones, I now have 13. I'm not writing the whole 13. I'm making the 10 a little bit different looking, but we can kind of see that that makes 13. I have 13 now. Can I take 5 away from this? Absolutely. I have lots to take 5 away from. Taking away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 taken away. So what do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 13 take away 5 is 8. And I still have to do my tens. I have 4 take away 2, and that gives me 2 left. 4 take away 2. So if I have 53 take away 25, I have 28 cookies left. 10, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Great, so borrowing from the tens makes it possible to do a question where the ones don't quite work out. Let's try another example. Great, here we have how many blocks? 10, 20, 30, 40, 42, 44, 45. 45 pieces of gum. They're pieces of gum. 45 pieces of gum. I am having 18 friends come to my birthday party. That's really a lot, but here we go. 18 friends coming to my birthday party. I'm going to put 1 piece of gum in each loot bag. Let's see how many I will have left for myself after I've done that. So I'm starting with 45. And I want to take away 18. First thing we do is our ones column. 5 take away 8. Great. 2, 4, 5. I have run out. I don't have enough. And when that happens, I look to my tens to borrow. Plenty of blocks over here. So I'm going to take this 10 and change it for 10 ones. Whoops. So I'm changing my group of 10 for 10 ones. Same value, same number of blocks. But these are going to be easier to work with because I need more ones. Now, I no longer have 4 tens, so I'm going to make a note of that. I only have 3 tens now. And how many ones? Ooh, quite a lot. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15. 15 ones. 3 tens, 15 ones. Now, 15 ones take away 8. Can I take away 8? No problem. 2, 4, 6, 8. Here we are. 15 take away 8. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are left. And for my 10 side, 3 take away 1. Taking away the 1, how many are left? 2. So if I have 45 pieces of gum and I give away 18, I should have 27 pieces left for me. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay. So when we are trying to do our subtraction, if we run into a situation where we can't take away from the ones because we don't have enough ones, we can make more ones, we can get more just by trading in one of our 10s for 10 ones. And that is called subtraction with regrouping. An important thing to do when you're doing this is when you move your 10, when you exchange your 10 for your 10 ones, cross it out and write down the real number of 10s that you have left so that you'll be able to do your subtraction properly. So if I were to do a question without having any blocks on hand, it's a little bit trickier. (42 minus 25). Okay, so we have 2 take away 5. If I only have 2, I cannot take away 5. And if I want to be sure of that, I can put my 2 up there. Okay, I've got 2. Can I take away 5? No, I cannot. And of course, you probably don't have these blocks around your house, but you might have buttons, little stones, anything you can find, acorns, peanuts, anything that you, well, little blocks of Lego. Anything you have around the house, if you want to just lay them out just to make sure, yep, I've got 2, I can't take away 5, what do I do? Well, what I'm going to do is borrow from over here. Now, if I'm going to borrow, this goes down by 1. I don't have 4 anymore, I have 3. And that group of 10 moved over here. That makes for a 12. Now I have 12 take away 5. 12 take away 5 I can do. And if I need to check it, I can lay out my blocks to double check it. 12 take away 5, that's going to give me 7. 3 take away 2 is going to give me 1. So 42 take away 25 will give me 17. Okay, boys and girls? And that is how we do our subtraction with regrouping.